So one of the things you can do in a counseling mode, I always say, is that you can manage the anger through saying the child has a pass to go somewhere. The child can take a breath, give them a restroom pass, whatever. But the bigger piece of it is, where's the intervention? Are we teaching you how not to become angry? So the plan is you get an out when you need an out. But then we're teaching you how not to become angry, so you no longer need management. See, the secret here, folks, is when you put a plan together, is if for every management, I have an intervention, the more the intervention takes hold, the less likely you need to manage that person. Because what we want is by the time they get to graduation, we want it to all be internal, so they're self-managing. No one's going to have them on a plan when they graduate. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video. I speak and consult on school behavior, and I love to help districts solve some of these problems. See you next time.